what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chad Fixes All. In this episode, we're talking garage lighting, and we're going to be taking this to this. Let's get started. So a little background on why I want to go ahead and change out some of the lights and do a couple things a little differently in here. In the garage, I only have these two work lights. They're not too bad. They're very bright bulbs, but it's all on the one side of the garage. Now, I work mostly on the other side of the garage where you can see this car, a sneak peek of future episodes here. But I work mostly on that side of the garage where the light comes in from like daylight. But since I'm working most of the time at night, because it's pretty much the only free time I get, I need better lighting here for shooting video, showing you guys what needs to go on. So I'm going to be changing out the lights here. We're going to do some LEDs hopefully. Also up here, we're going to be installing two new light ballasts. So one there, one there. I would think that's going to really increase the lighting within the garage and really going to give me what I need. So with no further ado, first thing we're going to want to do is get up in that attic. I've never been up here since I've owned the house. So we'll get up in that attic and we'll see what we got in store. And yes, I do know I have a box up against the window. That's to show you what it looks like possibly at nighttime when it's dark in here. I just wanted to give you the true effect of what I'm going to be going from and to with no natural daylight. All right, so first thing I want to do is push that off this side. Got my broomstick here. See if we can push it off. Now let's go and grab our ladder and let's get up in there. All right, share with the first look in here with you guys. And not too bad, pretty simple. We got no bad insulation or anything like that in there, so this should be really easy. First we're gonna go ahead and find out where we want to put these. And from there, we'll crawl over there, run some wire. We already got some wire ran here. You can see it right down there. And it goes all the way over on the edge over there. There's a light way in the corner. It's kind of burned out right now, but we'll go ahead and get that going. And it goes, we'll probably junction off that one and come over to the front. So now this isn't how to run electricity. This isn't a electrical how-to guide. I'm no expert. Please watch someone else on YouTube if you're wanting to have an expert teach you how to actually wire everything up in the home. I don't want to be the cause of any type of fires or anything like that. So just true disclaimer, I'm no expert. I'm not. To do the actual fixture install, these are the things I purchased. We have two blue holders. We have the two shade holder set, and we have the wire, 25 foot, and also some wire connectors. I don't think we'll need the wire connectors based upon the way these hook up. I already went ahead and pulled down that light ballast right there. Just a recap of what I did up here. I know it's like I said, I didn't put any of it on camera, but I ran a wire from that light over there over to this light, and then we installed this one as well. So that's pretty much what I did up here. All the rest of the work can be done down in the actual garage, not in the attic. So let's go back downstairs. All right, now from the bottom, you can see we have one fixture there. And one right there, and now we're going to go ahead and wire them in. It's getting a little late here, losing a little bit of light, but we do have these installed now. Got one there, got one right there, and then we also put that all together over there. So now I'm gonna go downstairs in the basement, turn on the breaker, and see if we have light from these ones that already existed. All right, let's go ahead and make sure that we have the light that we had existing before we install bulbs into the new ones. Just like that, we do have a light. And next, we're going to go ahead and find some bulbs and we'll install them into those fixtures. I do have plans. I will be showing you in just a minute after we test these how we're going to get the most light into the actual garage. But for now, I'm going to find some bulbs. All right, it's quite dark in here now. It's got a little later, but we got bulbs in all of them. And let's go ahead and turn on lights, see what we got. That is much better. You can see everything all around the garage now, especially out front. Like I said, new project vehicle in the garage. See it on future episodes. But I really like these lights. You can see here that I installed them on pull switches, so when they're not in use because the garage door's up or I'm not working on a car, I'm just going to turn it off and I don't have to worry about using extra electricity. That light is now working over there. It wasn't working for the time that I had been in this house, a couple of years now. But next we're going to go ahead and do what's going to create all the light in the garage. And this is what we're going to be using. So the first thing you notice is we've got 5 boxes here. In the boxes, these are the 5-to-1 splitters. Screws right into the outlet and then splits off into 5. So we got 2 of those for the fixtures that are mounted in the middle of the garage. And then we got 3 of these for the other 3 fixtures. So these are the 1 to 5 splitter as well. So those will split off and be a little bit, this will give me the directional lighting that I need for in the front of the garage and over by the little cubby hole that I have on the side. So we got 3 of those total. And then I bought a 24 pack of Sylvania lights. And I'm going to have all this linked in the description. Click the link, see if this is what you want, and yeah, purchase it off there if you need it. But let's go ahead and start screwing these into the fixtures, getting some light bulbs in there, and getting new light in this garage. Alright, we're going to go ahead and screw all the light bulbs in here before we go up there and put it in. Then we'll go ahead and adjust it once we're up there. One thing you notice is that we did buy the daylight bulbs, so it'll be a little bit brighter and crisper in here. So let's go ahead and get up there and do it. That's awesome. Let's do the rest of them. There we go. All of them are now installed. A lot brighter in here, a lot more crisp. I can see a lot more clearly. Should make the videos a lot better for the future on my channel when I'm working inside the garage. So let's go ahead and take a step back and compare it from the actual, like what we had from the beginning, from after we installed the actual fixtures on top, and then what we have now. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. I'm really liking the garage lights now. Leave a comment if you think you know what we're going to do with this car, or if you have any questions on your lighting. Like I said, this is going to be coming in a future episode here. And yeah, also like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Just hit me up if you need anything. Until next time, it's Chad Fixes All. See ya.